Hello everyone, today we will learn how to make a simple touch sensor using 555 timer IC and Arduino. Let's go for the components. Arduino, relay module that works with Arduino, breadboard, AC LED, I have chosen it in blue light. You can choose anyone. 555 timer IC, 10 microfarad capacitor, BC547 transistor, $47K resistor, 1K resistor, 10K resistor, and I have bought this touch sensor or touch pad from a toy. You can use simple wires for this. Now let's build it. I have already connected the jumpers to save the time. Pin number 2, 6 and 4, 8 are short. See over here. First we will connect the capacitor with pin number 2 and ground. Now we will connect BJT with pin number 2. The collector will go to pin number 2. Its emitter is ground. Its collector is connected with VCC using 1K resistor. Pin number 7 is connected to the VCC using 10K resistor. Now we will connect pin number 1. Now we will connect 5 volt and ground to the circuit of Arduino. BC547 base is connected to the VCC using 47K resistor. Now we will connect pin number 3 of the 555 timer with Arduino pin number 7, as it will be our input. This pin is connected with Arduino pin number 7 using 220 ohm resistor. Now we will connect the relay circuit. Its ground will go to the ground side. Its VCC will go to the VCC side. And the output of the Arduino will be pin number 6. If this pin number 7 is on, it will directly switch on this LED or this relay, which will indirectly switch on the bulb. Now we will connect the touchpad with ground, and the other pin will be with the base of the BC547, base and ground. This bulb is connected in series with this relay. Now let's test it. This bulb is connected in series with this relay. As if I touch this sensor or the touchpad, it will on this relay. This will switch on this relay and the bulb will glow. Now let's test it.